In this video, I'm going to be doing a Bluehost customer service review along with doing a Bluehost customer support review. I'm going to be going over everything there is to know about Bluehost customer service along with testing out their live chat support option so you can see how quickly they respond to inquiries and the customer support service they provide and the knowledge they offer. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of all the details regarding Bluehost customer service and what type of Bluehost customer support to expect. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save some money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. To take advantage of the Bluehost discount, just click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Bluehost, and so you can take advantage of getting up to 70% off plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's get started with the Bluehost customer service and support review. When it comes to Bluehost customer service, they offer 24/7, 365 days a year support. At any time you need to reach them, they are there to help. Doesn't matter if it's the middle of the night or a holiday. This is something you want with a hosting provider, as being able to reach them and get help with your site if a problem arises is crucial. Bluehost offers support via phone, live chat, and a knowledge base with an answer to popular questions or tutorials. No matter how you like to get in touch with them, Bluehost is there to help you. If you prefer talking to a live person, phone support is available. If you prefer chatting online, their live chat feature is quick and easy. If you prefer to follow tutorials or try to solve the problem yourself, the Bluehost knowledge base is easy to follow along with. Bluehost knowledge base can be helpful, as you might find the answer or tutorial on how to do something or fix something by reading the knowledge base post without getting in touch with a Bluehost customer support representative. Here's the Bluehost knowledge base. You can type something into the search field to see if they have help on this topic. Underneath the search field, you can click a category to go through the knowledge base to find the problem or question you have. I'll click on domains. It'll pull up popular questions about domains. Click the More link. It'll pull up everything regarding domains. I'm going to click on how to renew a domain to show as an example. It'll now give you step-by-step instructions and everything about how to renew a domain. Now let's test out their customer support via the popular live chat option. In my opinion, the live chat option is the quickest and easiest way to reach them, as you'll be able to talk to someone almost immediately. On the Bluehost page, you'll see Contact Us in the main menu. Hover over this and you'll see the Chat with Us and the Chat Now button. Click this and it'll bring you to the start of the Bluehost live chat. You can also click the orange customer service person icon on the right of the page and it'll bring you to the Bluehost live chat page. You want to fill out your details for existing customer or new customer. You then want to click the Next button. It'll now pull up a page where you want to select a topic. I'll choose domains for this tutorial. Next, under description, choose a topic. For this tutorial, I'm going to select DNS assistance. Next, under additional information, you can type whatever it is you're reaching out to them about. I'm going to type, hello, I'm needing my Bluehost name server so that I can point my domain to Bluehost. I'll now click the Next button. It'll then populate helpful articles that might be related to what you ask with tutorials on how to do it. Scroll down to the bottom and click the Chat button to continue to the Bluehost live chat. I was immediately connected to a Bluehost support rep. Depending on the time of day and when you reach out to the Bluehost live chat support, the wait time could vary. I was connected to the Bluehost live chat a few times at different times of the day, and I was connected immediately. The Bluehost chat support representative went above and beyond by providing me with the Bluehost name servers for my account needed for pointing my domain at the other domain register to Bluehost hosting. From start to getting my live chat support answer, it took under 3 minutes, just over 2 minutes. In my opinion, that's really fast support, especially since that includes connecting to a live chat rep and providing the answer. I'll give Bluehost customer support a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend Bluehost. Their customer service is fast and super helpful. That is my Bluehost customer service and customer support review video. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost web hosting tutorial videos.